Meet Major Omita Dalvi and Squadron Leader Aravi Jayadev, two officers of the Indian Armed Forces who have emerged as the face of women's empowerment. They are part of India's historic Samudra Pradakshina, a tri-services all-women circumnavigation sailing expedition, a 9-month-long voyage across the globe that covers over 26,000 nautical miles. For these women officers who came back ashore after covering 10,000 nautical miles, this mission is about shattering some old myths.
It's a very male-dominated field. So, as women empowerment, Nari Shakti was happening, and all males have circumnavigated, I think that is why women circumnavigation idea must have come in, and the tri-services, as a tri-services, I think this must be, this is one of the world's first tri-services all-women circumnavigation expedition that we are undertaking.
There is no, there are no stereotypes. Like the stereotype, you must have heard that it is a male-dominated sport. It is broken. You must have heard that people, like women can't do a plumber's job or an electrician's job. Done. It is broken. There are stereotypes where women can't leave their homes and go far away. We have sailed for 45 days at sea with absolutely no man around. Done. Broken.
The expedition aboard the indigenously built Indian Army sailing vessel Triveni comprises 10 officers from the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. The two officers believe the expedition not only showcases the dedication and skill of women officers, but also highlights India's untapped potential in sailing and maritime sports, while reinforcing the unity and collaboration between the three services.
This initiative, I think, is very important because what I feel is sailing is not common sport in India. So the main idea of this expedition was to promote sailing in India, to bring the culture in India, to promote India's maritime excellence. We have, I think, a very large coastline. So why don't we utilize it for this beautiful sport that is there? We have trained ourselves for about 10,000 nautical miles along the coast, mostly along the western coast of India. So I think we should utilize our natural resources. We should promote this sport.
Before the main circumnavigation expeditions, we had almost done 9 expeditions, approximately 10,000 nautical miles together. So team spirit was the most important thing between the team. And by from 2022 to 2025, I think it proves our camaraderie between all the three services. And with the completion of this circumnavigation expedition, I think it will prove all the women what they are capable, and camaraderie between all the three services also, I guess.
The remaining 8 members of the expedition that was launched in September 2025 will return to Mumbai in May 2026 after covering some of the toughest waters in the world.